In this video, I'll show you how to add product reviews to your Shopify store. A great way to build trust and boost sales. Shopify doesn't come with a built-in review system, but it's easy to add one using an app. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Go to the App Store, search for product reviews, and choose a popular option like Judge.me, Loox, or Yotpo. Install the app and follow the setup instructions. Most apps automatically add review forms to your product pages. You can also import existing reviews or set up email requests to collect reviews from customers after purchase. Once installed, your customers can leave star ratings and written feedback directly on your site. Make sure to monitor and respond to reviews regularly to engage with your audience and improve credibility. That's it. Adding reviews is simple and can make a big difference in converting visitors into buyers. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and store building tutorials.